After consulting hundreds of brands across several industries, I know how different organizations use content to connect with their audience, but also how they leverage their teams to create the content in the first place. So in this video, we're going to talk about content ideation, creation, but also team collaboration. With RankWell, you'll discover great topics, of course, and get AI-written blog posts that rank high on search engines, read naturally, and also pass AI detection. This is how enterprises use RankWell. RankWell is going to help you reach your SEO goals without having to create a whole new department, and certainly by using existing staff. To get the quality of content that comes out of RankWell, you used to have to find some writer who's not only a subject matter expert, but also an excellent writer, and also understands the technical optimization parts of SEO content. Now RankWell does it for you. Let's start this whole process with keyword research. I'm going to click on research and click keyword research. Remember, it's called RankWell because we want you to rank well on search engines. You can't rank very well if you don't know what your audience is typing into Google. I'm going to choose my enterprise project here. It's just a demo project, but it behaves, of course, like any other enterprise level account. I'm going to enter a seed keyword. I'm going to enter thought leadership. Let's select some keywords that we want, but first I want to show you what's going on here in these columns. We have the keyword itself, the monthly search volume worldwide, the ranking difficulty out of 100, the cost per click, the trends, and then of course the actions you can take. Actually, given this data, I haven't looked at this before, but given this data, I'm very interested in the keyword, just thought leadership. I've selected enough for this demonstration, but again, certainly you can select as many as you want. I'm going to take a bulk action and create content. So now that we've selected the keywords we want content for, and RankWell is creating that content, it's doing the heavy lifting. It's doing the research, it's doing the formatting, the NLP optimization, and of course the human-like writing. But let's put our eyes on actual written content. Once you lay eyes on the newly generated content, I want you to take a few minutes to do three things. Take a look and edit it to your liking. Add any images and publish. TAP. Take a look, add images, and publish. So let's do so. Let's, of course, review the content, get a sense for the flow and structure. You're welcome to change anything. Let's say you don't like this paragraph. You can use this floating editor bar to ask AI to change it for you. I want to switch now to adding images. So I'm going to click on Generate Media. You can search a royalty-free image library and use those, or you're welcome to upload from your computer. Maybe your designer has some infographics or images that you want to put into the content. Lastly, we want to publish. Here are some publish options. We can export to Google Doc, Word Doc, HTML, or view the HTML. If you're integrated, you'll see this option, schedule date. You'll also see draft, which corresponds to draft on WordPress, and published, which corresponds to publish on WordPress. This demonstration project is not integrated into WordPress. Collaborating with your team. You can do two things that will really help your workflows. To use your existing staff to use the software. Number one, add them to the platform. Click on the menu in the top right and click on Users. You can invite them to only certain projects if you want, or simply all the projects. Secondly, within collaborating with your team, you can click on Project Settings, and I'm going to call attention to Post Statuses here. By default, these are the post statuses because these work for most users. But for example, if Jenny comes up with ideas and Thomas edits, you can create post statuses like for Jenny or for Thomas or any other label you need. There's obviously a lot more to content at scale than this, but this training will help you get started, and you're certainly welcome to send this exact video to those members of your staff who will be on the platform. Also, don't take my word for it. I want you to log in and try it. We're always here to help you out on the other side of this little support button in the bottom corner. And I want to welcome you in to Content at Scale.